Hello again, Dogelon Mars Army. I am back at you with another update on Dogelon Mars. And I gotta say, things are looking good all the way around the board. If you are new to my channel, please give me a subscribe to stay up to date on all things cryptocurrency. And also give me a like to help me promote Dogelon Mars. That is why I make these videos, to help push the promotion of this token. We are growing. Look at this right here. We are just under the top 100 coins here on CoinMarketCap, and I think we are going to be climbing that very soon in early 2022. So before we get into it, I got to let you know that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, just giving you my opinion and some information surrounding the token. Yep, that is very lovely. I mean, we are just sitting right now under the all-time high of let's see, I think it was like 253, 253. I could be wrong. Don't get me, don't quote me there. But other than that, I was wrong. With all-time high, we hit about 403,263. So that's very insane. I think this is a very nice price tag on it at the moment, and we've got a lot of good momentum. I mean, you just cannot keep Dogelon Mars out of the news right now. There is a lot of things going on with it, and I really want to get into it with you. You may recognize this picture from a thumbnail, and that I was using because this is a really nice article written how Dogelon Mars Shiba Inu Dogecoin can perform bullishly in 2022. So I wanted to take a look at this article. I think it is really nicely written. 2021 is heading towards a conclusion, and the excitement is already piling up for 2022. The digital asset industry registered massive recognition this year, and meme coins were a major part of that growth. I apologize there. While Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were the major flag bearers of that community, Dogelon Mars could be in for a massive 2022 alongside its peers, and I believe that 100%. In the article, we take a look at the key reasons here. I'm gonna scroll up here, and then let's see, try to get these ads out of here for you guys. I apologize if I don't mean that intentionally. Shiba Inu Dogelon Mars should witness more exchange listings, and I agree with that, and that's another thing I agree with 100%. I am invested in both tokens, Shiba Inu and Dogelon Mars, so I'm hoping both rocket. I mean, I really do. I'm not trying to take sides here. I don't think anybody should. If you do by chance, put that in the comments why you do, though. Just curious. There's not going to be any judgment there. I'm just curious to see why there is such a competition there. Exchange listing has already been a major accomplishment for Shiba Inu. The asset is already listed on COINBASE, BINANCE, Bitstamp, Crypto.com, and etc. etc. Right now, only Robinhood is one major player yet to include. So yeah, this is great news for the coin. I'm sure it has pumped because of it, but our token is not on these on all of these quite yet. We are on Crypto.com, but once we get onto these exchanges, I believe we're going to have a little more upside in the long run when these exchanges list it. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. It's on its way. So when they do, that is when we're going to see our price pump, and we're going to already be sitting in nice. We'll already have our spots on the rocket ship there. However, the community has continued to push for its immediate listing. In comparison, Dogelon Mars still has plenty of room for listing upgrades. Exactly my point exactly. Right now, the asset is available on Crypto.com, Gemini, and other regional exchanges such as KuCoin, Poloniex, but big hitters such as Coinbase, Binance are yet on board. I'm thinking Q1 2022 we can see some major listings here. That's the first 3 months, and a lot can happen in 90 days. I will tell you that. Once these exchanges have listed Dogelon, the possibility of renewed price discovery increases in the market. At press time, Elon is up 4,100% since September 17th. So the market demand is definitely there for this asset. And yeah, this tiny number here, and it's not tiny by any comparison. If you compare it to any stock in the market, it is not a tiny jump for a 1 year, for an IPO, so to speak. And yeah, it's nuts. So basically, if you look at the increase that Shiba Inu had, that is in the millions of percent. So we're gonna have a lot of volatility in this token. It really excites me. Whales involvement, we know that some whales have been in on the Dogelon Mars Ethereum Etherscan. So one particular narrative witnessed with these meme coins is the presence of whales. Both Shiba Inu and Dogelon Mars have witnessed huge whale investors over the past week, and their involvement during a downtrend only indicates a positive long-term expectation. Exactly what I've been trying to get through to everybody. That's just my personal belief in that, definitely, and I do believe that their entry into the market during these times is a huge indicator. A very huge indicator. With rising prices and possible return of collective bullish narrative, whales may double down on these assets and act as their market support is in the long run. So it's just, I mean, it is amazing. They definitely have access to a lot of information that me and you we wouldn't have access to. Volatility, yep, absolutely going to play a massive role. I'm going to get out of this article, but if you do want to go check it out, definitely watcher.guru. You should be able to find that very easily. Just look for that picture. But yeah, it's just great. They're very active in the community. Let's see where they're sitting. 331,000 followers on Twitter right now. So that's just growing by the day. It literally is growing by the day. Yahoo Finance did a very nice article, I believe. Dogelon Mars on the move after exchange inclusion. So yeah, getting dropped onto those exchanges has just been phenomenal for the token. In the overall outlook at it, I mean, we are just under 60% on the week. Just amazing. I know it's been hard to get to this point, but it just shows the true strength and resilience in the Dogelon Mars army. I know we are not as big as the ship army, but it is not, I believe the resilience and the strength is there. Very similar to Sparta, you know. I really do, because in the darkest of times, we have had hodlers that truly show the definition of diamond handing it. And I hope that if you have weathered that storm, that you are going to be, I hope you the best and millions in your future. I genuinely do. I mean, I really do. I hope I'm doing my part for the community to help spread the message of the coin. I only want to bring relevant news to this token. I don't want to misinform anybody. I try to stay unbiased completely, but I do believe in the project, so that is gonna help sway me a bit, but I do hope I bring it unbiased. Token inclusions onto exchanges continue to deliver strong price support in response to the news. Over the last week, we have seen a number of tokens being included on exchanges delivering strong support, and yes, we've seen it time after time. So I mean, those are also very good indicators. News of Kraken listing one of the market's favorites. Avalanche delivers strong AVAX price support in this week. This week, Doge competitor Dogelon Mars found strong support following the token's inclusion onto two exchanges. On Tuesday, Gemini announced support for Elon. The exchange announced that Elon is available for custody and trading on the API, FIX, and active trader applications for USD. On the mobile application, Gemini would also make Elon available for trading. Elon pairing with USD, GBP, the Euro, CAD will also soon be available on Gemini website, so that's going to be in store. That's just going to give us more exposure. I mean, I don't know exactly where everybody in the world is watching, but I imagine if you're out of the U.S., you're probably not able to just get it. I don't know. Within, I'm sure you guys have something figured out. Never mind. I just won't even talk on that. Following Tuesday's listing on Gemini, Huobi Global asked its users with which cryptos they would like to see supported. Reported 54.5% of respondents selected Elon. Huobi Global announced Elon's listing on Thursday. Just another thing we need it listed on every exchange, and I believe that's going to happen, and I hope to see it happen within the next year. I hope to see the popularity rise, and I mean even Shiba Inu's having a rough go at getting listed on Robinhood, and just there's a lot of new laws and everything being surrounded around these tokens. I understand they probably want to watch out for cover their end in business, and that is just it's gonna be completely understandable. I don't think that it is a huge being listed off of one exchange. I mean, I don't think that it may raise it. It's going to raise it a day or two, but I don't think that that's that huge of a wall for investors. I think that they actually wouldn't just go to get another exchange. It's not that hard, and then just get a position in it if they truly wanted to do that. But for a token like ours, we don't have that exposure yet, and that's something that's going to be insane. I wanted to get in right here because this is the exciting part. At the time of writing, Elon was up 5%. We know the numbers, sitting short of its all-time high of 253. That's where I got my info there. So I definitely need to get that, do a little research there. But on Thursday, however, news of the exchange inclusion led to a 30% breakout. In the final quarter of the year, Elon has surged by more than 2,800%. Technical indicators point to the further upside ahead. Great news. Technical indicator, the sentiments are pointing towards bullish momentum, and that's what I want to show you. I wanted to close this video out with some news like that. Really, I mean, just great news. I hope you guys had a great year, and I know that we are going to be going into this next year very bullish on this token. Let's finish this up. Following a breakout from the 50 EMA on Monday, Elon revisited the 5018 levels before easing back. A breakout back through the 2 range levels would bring the all-time high back into play. By ranking, the latest price surge has seen Elon move to the top 100 by market cap. At the time of writing, Elon's market cap stood at 989 million. So congrats, Dogelon Mars Army, on getting back into that $1 billion market cap range. We are just on our way to make it happen. We really are in terms of tokens with the highest upsides. That's where I'm gonna definitely be leaning towards Dogelon Mars, even in comparison to SHIB. There's no disrespect on either one, the development team. I'm just saying where it's at in the stages, because I feel that both are going to see a very positive 2022. I feel that both have a very hardworking development team, and I don't think they're going to let this price action leave. I think they're just going to take it to new heights. I really hope they do, and yeah, that's just what I wanted to show you. Congratulations, Dogelon Mars Army. I hope the best, and I will catch you